Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Alaskan wild salmon stands out for its incredible quality and flavor. It thrives in the pristine, cold waters of Alaska, a natural environment that contributes to its unique and robust taste. This isn't just any fish, it's a product of truly sustainable fishing practices, ensuring its availability for years to come. When you choose Alaskan wild salmon, you're not only getting a delicious meal, you're also supporting responsible harvesting methods. Its rich, distinct taste and impressive health benefits make it a top choice for healthy eating. Understanding the 5 species of Alaskan wild salmon. Understanding the distinct features of each Alaskan wild salmon species helps you choose the perfect fish for your next meal. While all are special, each one offers unique flavors, textures, and culinary uses. Let's explore the individual characteristics that set them apart. King Salmon, Chinook. King Salmon, also known as Chinook, is the largest and most prized of the Alaskan salmon. It's known for its impressive size, often weighing over 30 pounds. This salmon has a rich, buttery flavor due to its exceptionally high oil content. Its flesh is typically deep red or even an orangey red. King salmon is perfect for grilling, roasting, or pan-searing, as its high fat keeps it moist and flavorful. Sockeye salmon, red. Sockeye salmon, or red salmon, is famous for its vibrant, deep red flesh and firm texture. This color comes from its diet of small crustaceans. Sockeye has a strong, distinct salmon flavor that stands up well to bold seasonings. It's a favorite for backyard grilling, smoking, or baking whole. The firm texture makes it easy to handle on the grill without falling apart. Coho salmon, silver. Coho salmon, often called silver salmon, offers a milder flavor than king or sockeye. Its flesh is a beautiful orange-red and has a more delicate texture. This versatility makes coho ideal for various cooking methods. You can bake it, pan-fry it, or even use it in lighter dishes where you want the salmon to complement other ingredients. Coho typically appears later in the salmon season compared to other species. Pink salmon, humpback. Pink salmon, or humpback salmon, is the most abundant species caught in Alaska. It is smaller in size and has a lighter, milder flavor with paler pink flesh. Due to its abundance and milder taste, pink salmon is frequently used in canned salmon products. It's also an excellent, budget-friendly option for quick and easy weeknight meals, fish cakes, or salads. Chum salmon, Keta. Chum salmon, also known as Keta, has a lighter, more orange-pink flesh and a lower fat content compared to other species. While its flavor is milder, it is still a versatile and nutritious option. Chum is often sought after for its large, high-quality roe salmon eggs. It's also a popular choice for making delicious salmon jerky or for smoking. Because of its lower fat content, it's often a more affordable wild salmon choice. The Alaskan salmon life cycle, a miracle of nature. The life cycle of Alaskan wild salmon is one of nature's most extraordinary journeys. It's a tale of remarkable resilience and instinct, highlighting how these fish navigate vast distances and overcome immense challenges. This cycle ensures the continuation of their species, a process truly amazing to witness. Spawning and early life. The journey begins in the freshwater streams and rivers where adult salmon deposit their eggs. Females dig nests, called redds, in gravel beds, laying thousands of eggs. Males then fertilize these eggs. This process often takes place in clear, cold waters, which offer the best conditions for development. During the cold months, the eggs incubate, hidden and protected within the gravel. Come spring, tiny larvae called alevins hatch. Alevins are still attached to their yolk sacs, which provide essential nourishment. They remain in the gravel, absorbing nutrients until their yolk sacs are gone. After this, they emerge as fry. These small fry begin actively feeding on zooplankton and aquatic insects. They spend weeks to months adapting to the freshwater environment before preparing for their long migration. Oceanic growth and maturation. Once strong enough, the young salmon, now called smolts, begin their migration downstream towards the ocean. This journey can take weeks as they adapt from freshwater to the ocean's saltwater environment. Upon reaching the vast Pacific, these salmon find a rich feeding ground. The Alaskan waters are teeming with prey. Salmon feast on small fish such as herring and sandlins, crustaceans like krill and copepods. Squid is also a common part of their diet. This abundant food supply fuels their rapid growth. Over several years, they mature, gaining significant size and strength. Their bodies store vital fat and protein reserves, essential for the demanding return journey ahead. The return journey and spawning. After years in the ocean, a powerful instinct calls the mature salmon home. They begin an arduous upstream migration back to their original spawning grounds. This journey requires incredible endurance. Salmon must battle strong currents, overcome waterfalls, and avoid predators. Their bodies also undergo dramatic changes during this time. They stop feeding, relying solely on their stored energy. Their skin color often deepens, and males develop hooked jaws and humped backs, especially in species like pink salmon. Upon reaching their birthplace, the females prepare their redds, and the males compete for mates. After successfully spawning, their life's purpose is fulfilled. Weakened by the journey and the act of reproduction, the adult salmon die, providing nutrients back to the ecosystem. Their decaying bodies enrich the streams, feeding insects and other aquatic life, which in turn support the next generation of salmon. It's a remarkable full circle of life and death, sustaining the delicate balance of the Alaskan wilderness. Sustainable fishing practices in Alaska, a model for the world. Alaska truly leads the way in sustainable fishing, setting a global standard for how we should manage our ocean resources. Their approach ensures that future generations can enjoy the incredible bounty of wild salmon, just as we do today. It is a testament to careful planning and a deep respect for the environment. Choosing Alaskan wild salmon supports your health and our oceans. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.